Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the 5-string or A-shaped 5 chord, otherwise known as your power chord. So your 5 chord. Now, again, don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, in this example, I'm going to show you how to play the C5 power chord using the A-shaped or 5-string. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. Now, what we're going to do is, on your 5th string, 3rd fret, with an index finger, we're going to play the root note there, the C. And then on the 4th string, 5th fret, with a ring finger, we're going to play the G. And then on the 3rd string, 5th fret, with a pinky finger, we're going to play that C. And when you play them all together, sounds like this. And what a 5 chord really is, it's just the 1st and the 5th, meaning that a major chord is your 1st, 3rd, and 5th. And a 5 chord is just your 1st and 5th. And that's what we have here. We're playing the C5. It's your C and G notes. Now, don't forget to strum it, work on your strumming, and then also playing those notes individually. Well, I hope you enjoyed this demo on the 5 power chord, the 5-string or A-shaped 5 power chord. And check out my other videos.